actually works to support member states in the continent to better plan, prepare, and respond to disasters. So we think that through the mainstreaming of gender, we can ensure that not only women but children and the most vulnerable can actually benefit from the programs that the government, in cooperation with its development partners and civil society in general, are actually carrying out. So gender mainstreaming in disaster risk management is an important step to ensure equitable sharing of resources and better responses, because we know that women are the most affected when it comes to disaster, given the position that women normally hold in our society.
Angela Abdullah, research analyst at the African Risk Capacity. Remember, you're listening to news and reports here on NBC Radio 1 with me, Jane Roberts. And still to come, the first